Yes, my son.
Deedat, so with all due respect to your religion, may I know what is the purpose of circumcision? Because I mean, now, if I were to join your Muslim sect as such, and that hurts.
Right. Agreed. The young man wants to know about circumcision. I know that is the biggest barrier, in we getting converts. The man says, man, I agree with you, everything is fine, I said, look, man, you mustn't eat the pig. He said, but what's wrong, man? Pork? I said, well, I'll reason with you. He said, well, I can see your point. I said, look, you mustn't drink. He said, but uncle, a little nip or a tot, man. I said, look, my son, these are the dangers. He said, well, I can see your point. I said, no, don't be promiscuous. Don't go along and dance with other people's wives and daughters. And I said, but what's wrong, uncle? I said, look, I will reason with you. And he says, uncle, I see your point of view. But now you agree with everything. And I said, now circumcision. That's hard. So now I said, now what is this? I said, my son, this is for your own benefit. Look, now I'm talking about yesterday, day before yesterday, there was in our local paper. Cancer, the cervix in women, which is a killer among women. Cancer of the womb is a killer of women. 85% of all women who suffer from cancer of the womb are wives of uncircumcised husbands. Problem. I went to the R.K. Khan hospital some years ago. I had a problem. And I'm sleeping there on the bed. So this is our culture. See, say you, what you here for? What you here for? Means what's your problem? What's your name, Mr. Reddy? So he tells me, I say, uncle, it's it's like this, like that. And what? He says, problem with the foreskin, circumcision. Next to me is a young boy, schoolboy. I said, what's wrong with you? He said, no, nothing wrong with me. I said, no, I want to know what brings you here. Why are you here? So he says, you see, uncle, difficult. So he's telling me, actually he's got constriction, he must be circumcised. He's also ready. Look, no insults upon the ready. There are reddys here, so many. It's just coincidental that the guy next to the wall was a reddy, grown-up man. This guy was a reddy. Across the aisle, Hindustani gentleman, about 50 years and more. So I go up to him. I said, Bhaiya, what brings you here? Why are you here? So again, he's in turmoil, he's in torture. He's trying to tell me he's got a problem. He must be circumcised, otherwise the skin has come in the way. I said, I'm telling the nurses. Look, you see, as you see me, I enjoy talking. So I say, your husband, is he circumcised? He said, no. Your husband, is he circumcised? He says, no. I say, hey, you got a problem. I said, tell them all to be circumcised. Not for religious reasons. I said, as much as we are vaccinated, for what? Our government tells us, according to the health regulations, that if you're vaccinated, there's less likelihood of you getting smallpox and this and that. Diphtheria, anti-diphtheria, this thing, all that, they're doing it to you for what? To save you. They give us vaccination, inoculation against smallpox, typhoid and all that before you go overseas. What for? They hate you? No. But for your benefit. So now this circumcision, I said, if I came into power in this country, I will pass a law, circumcise every male child in the country, Indian, African, colored, white. Nothing to do with religion. I say for health reasons. I say 85% of my children, my daughters, who are married to uncircumcised husbands, they are suffering from cancer of the womb, a killer disease among women. I say just to save that, there are so many other philosophical aspects. You come and see me and I will give you further details which I can't share with you here. But I said now, just that alone, 85% of the women who suffer from cancer of the womb are wives of uncircumcised husband. I say circumcise everybody. It's that operation. You know how easy it is. You see, previously under primitive condition, the septic, this thing, you lasted for a long time and you suffered. Man, I had a young man circumcised on a Sunday morning, and Monday morning on a bicycle he went to work. It is as difficult as that. Sunday he gets operated on, and Monday morning he's riding a bicycle, he's making deliveries. Yes, my children.